Coinbase and Ripple exact unveil master plan to drive US crypto adoption. Bitcoin price jump above $9,000. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode. And now let's get started. So how's it going, crypto community? As we can see in the Bitcoin price, it's going pretty well. We are above $9,000. Finally, we can see that the Bitcoin price had pretty good rally in the previous 3 to 4 days, which brought us to the $9,300 level of resistance and support over here. Now, I mentioned this before and I'm mentioning right now that the 20 exponential daily moving average is very important level of resistance and support for the Bitcoin price, because as we can see over here, we had a pretty neat and good bounce from the 20 exponential moving average and also this big trend line that we had on the long scale. Also over here as the level of support while we were onto this rally over here, we had pretty neat and good bounces from this level, and Bitcoin found pretty good level of supports and resistance. If we bring the RSI indicator, we can see that the Bitcoin price is finally trading surely above this 50 level of over here, because every time the Bitcoin is trading below it, we are in some kind of a downtrend. Whenever the Bitcoin price is trading above it, we are in some kind of a rally. So as we can see right now, this is also one kind of a confirmation that we are getting ready for some kind of a bull market or the bull run. The same applies for the MACD. We can see that the MACD is trying to convert again onto the bullish side. So indicators are showing us pretty good indications that we are in bull market. Also, those two moving averages have a lot of space to move and to go trades on the sideways, which means that the Bitcoin price still have a power to go onto the upside. Also, very good indication for the bull market is the round bottoms that the Bitcoin is making. As we can see over here, we do not have this kind of a sort of a V bottoms, which means just retest some kind of a level of support. They're not building a level of support, which means that the Bitcoin is just bouncing and getting back down all over again. But in this case, we had a pretty well and neat round bottom, which means that the Bitcoin price established and built up some kind of a level of support over here. If we try to go and retest it all over again, there is a big probability that we're going to bounce from it. So this is also very good. Also, if we jump on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that the 20 exponential moving average is also very good level of support to the Bitcoin price, and I hope we will bounce from here, because many traders and investors are watching this trend line. If they are trading on the mid-term or even long-term, it's very good for the entry point if the price is bouncing from it. Also, we can see the round bottoms over here. Very good and very healthier way to build some kind of a level of support and higher highs on the price than to go just parabolic and crash down. And now, very good thing is that we broke this 0.382 level of resistance of the Fibonacci retracement level, because we are finding level of support over here. As I mentioned in the previous videos, this is also very important. Many other level of resistances are laying down there, as this trend line over here of $9,200, also Fibonacci retracement, and also if we bring some EMAs were there also, as the 200 daily exponential moving average was around $9,200. The next level of resistance that you need to watch is $9,400, and it's actually the price that we're trying to break over here, because on that level we have this bottom of this whole structure over here. If we break that level, we are going to see $10,000 or even $11,000 of the Bitcoin. So enough of the technical analysis. We can see that the price is doing pretty well. Switching on onto the news, largest Japanese consulting firm to launch new cryptocurrency index.
You know what? I don't even know why the hell I'm even here. I ain't even Chinese. Alright, I'm sorry.
Very good to see that the cryptocurrency will have its own index. It seems like the 2020 year is the pretty good year to bring mass adoption in the crypto space and bring the new asset in this world. Now, we're not going to bring the whole news and read it over here, but you can read it onto our Instagram page, where you can have a discussion with us also, because we are uploading there pretty much daily. Heading over from Asia to Europe, city of Zermatt, Switzerland now accepts tax payments in Bitcoin.
Nice.
This is the same thing as the last year we read that some state in the USA is also going to do the same, and also the New Hampshire or something like that, sorry if I butchered, is going to accept this, but the government is still making their trouble with accepting the cryptocurrency as a tax payment. If there is any USA watcher, please let us know in the comment section down below in which state you could pay your taxes with the Bitcoin. CoinBase and Ripple exec unveil master plan to drive US crypto adoption. Now the whole point of this mass adoption over here plan that the Coinbase and XRP have is actually the transparency into the crypto space, which means good cooperation with the governments and the crypto pay taxes, and a user-friendly environment to buy crypto in general will bring the people into the crypto space, because Coinbase has one of the best and easiest way to buy cryptocurrency if you're a beginner. Also, Ripple is one of the, of course, most hyped coin and have a pretty good market capitalization behind it. With the smart regulations and transparency, as they said here, they are going to bring crypto adoption. At least they are going to help to drive crypto adoption and blockchain technology to the mainstream. To improve market integrity and provide consumers the confidence they deserve, Congress may need to enact legislation to support the orderly and secure functioning of crypto markets. Such a legislation could expand the CFTC authority to include the regulation and oversight of digital commodity exchange markets. So the whole point of this is to buy crypto, sell crypto, and pay the taxes. Also, user-friendly environment in the crypto space for the traders and for the investors is very important to actually bring this mass adoption in place. No matter how much people hate Coinbase or the Ripple for any reason whatsoever, they're still helping the crypto space and crypto world to bring the mass adoption, and also that will affect on our investments in the crypto space, on the altcoin market and the Bitcoin market in general. Heading over to the backed, a month after launch, backed Bitcoin options volumes are lackluster.
What?
Now this is the same thing with the Bitcoin futures on the backed when it was launched on this platform, because for the backed and institutional investors to get into the Bitcoin needs time. It takes time to make money, and it takes time to build this kind of a volume, because once we build this kind of a volume, it's pretty hard to go to zero, because these kind of institutions are made for institutional investors for the Bitcoin and other assets to invest. This is nothing new. All we need is to wait and see how the Bitcoin options in this case are going to hit all-time highs, like the Bitcoin futures doing pretty well for now. And last but not least, more adoptional news. Singapore Act to license cryptocurrency firms comes into effect. We're not going to read this, but I uploaded this already on Instagram page, because we're uploading there pretty much daily those kind of news, and many people like it, so make sure you follow us there and be updated every single day. Every single continent and big countries are competing with themselves to regulate crypto space as fast as it's possible, and I think 2020 is going to be crucial for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency adoption. I think we will see many good things in the cryptocurrency space. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like these sort of videos. Also follow us on our Instagram page, Twitter and TikTok, because we're uploading there pretty much daily. Now I want to thank each one of you for watching our videos, guys. As always, until the next update, happy trading and goodbye.